Hi, and welcome to a short video that I put together for you to talk about reviews, and specifically reviews for our OneLaunch desktop doc search application. So, as you know, reviews are pivotal, of utmost importance for any business that deals directly with consumers, because consumers want to know, should I proceed and interact with this company, download this software, use this service, etc. So we at the OneLaunch Technologies team, we really want those reviews, especially from our happy consumers, to use to help those potential consumers navigate that decision of, should I install OneLaunch for the first time, or I've got OneLaunch, should I keep it? So if you've left a review for us already, thank you so much. And if you're willing to, please follow the steps in this video to leave one. Yeah, it's just something that really helps potential users make that decision. So thank you. So first and foremost, if you did leave a review, where would it go? Let's search in OneLaunch, into our OneLaunch Chromium browser. I'll click our website, onelaunch.com. And right away on the home page, if you scroll down, you'll immediately see a section at the bottom, Our Users Love OneLaunch, with a carousel that rotates with a couple of our top reviews. But to see them all, you're able to click through to read all reviews, or go to the bottom under Learn More and click Reviews. So I'll do that. So a lot of our reviews that are given in different spots we'll use here. If we get them directly, we'll use here. Because sometimes we prompt our users in-app if they're willing to leave a review, and it could be used here. So it's definitely the most visual spot that it would be. And as people are on onelaunch.com, on our website, this is a really nice spot for them to come check out real reviews and kind of get a sense of what OneLaunch is really like if they do proceed to download. The second thing that we offer and we like, and some people do indeed come from our website to go review, maybe they're an existing client already, is Trustpilot. So Trustpilot is one of the world's biggest third-party review sites where a lot of people go to leave reviews on software, on services, on companies, and then a huge amount of people go just to read reviews and consume the reviews before they make their decision. So we've put efforts to make sure we have a profile on Trustpilot that is used actively. So some people, again, come from app here, and you need to rate your experience, fill it out, give a title, date, etc. So I'm not going to do this and proceed, but I will say that it's a very trusted source. And to leave a review here, you would actually have to leave your information, because Trustpilot does a good job of vetting that these are real human beings leading reviews. Okay, OneLaunch, I'm just going to show you. So I won't go into all the reviews, but you're able to see here that we've had 31, 74% have been 5 stars. Got a couple lower, which is, too bad, but definitely something we're working on. We're a verified company here, and our average rating of the 31 has been 4.2. So this is an extra spot that would be a third-party trusted place that our consumers could come and leave, and consume reviews to make their decision. So here is definitely another spot. We'd really appreciate reviews if you would consider it, and they show publicly here, and then sometimes we'll pull them over to additionally show on our OneLaunch website. But all in all, it's something we take extremely seriously, and we'd appreciate it. And depending on who you are watching this video, again, if you're a current user, please do consider reviewing us. And if you're a brand new user just getting a sense of what we're all about, and maybe you're watching this video thinking that I'm giving a review of OneLaunch, which I'm not, but if you are that user, please go to onelaunch.com/reviews, or go to Trustpilot and search for OneLaunch, and you'll see our reviews. And you can get a sense, not from me, but from our users, what we're all about. And then I would hope it would be enough to help you consider coming back to onelaunch.com and downloading. And as with always, if you do want to get a chance to talk to us directly, just go to your three-dot menu on the dock, top right, click Help, and right away we'll bring you to your OneLaunch support page, your OneLaunch knowledge base. And then here you're able to learn a ton about our product and get any questions answered. But if it's not enough, just go to the contact page and email us directly. Thank you very much for watching, and I hope this really explained how we as the OneLaunch Technologies team feel about reviews, how you can leave them, where our users can see them, and how, just how important reviews are in general to the world of business, especially for consumers. Thank you very much for watching.